Hi everyone. I'm going to go through how to do a live stream from the UUFSD congregation account. So we're going to start with a sort of basic landing page for Google, right? Sort of a blank browser page. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser. And we are going to navigate to YouTube. So let's type in youtube.com. Great. Do. Here comes YouTube. Very slowly. So you'll notice that this is my wife's account, right? This account here is the browser account. This account is the page account. So basically what it's saying is that for YouTube, you're logged in this account. So we don't want that. We want to log in as a UUFSD. So we're going to click on that icon that's here, and it'll open up this window, and you go to switch account. Great. And then a bunch of accounts will come up, or none for you, depending. You're going to say add account, and it's going to continue to say continue to YouTube, and you're going to type in UUFSD congregation at gmail.com. Okay, I'm going to go to next. And then you're going to type in the password. The password should have been given to you via email. I'm going to type it in now. There we go. So it's logging in. Great. So now we are logged in to YouTube under the UUFSD congregation account. You'll notice this icon has changed, and also the content has changed. Right? So now to stream, we want to make sure we have some kind of streaming device. This could be the stuff that's built into your laptop or a webcam. I have a webcam here that I'm going to use, and a microphone. So when we're ready, we click go live. And it's going to open up this sort of browser-based application called YouTube Studio. Great. So you'll notice this background is your webcam stream. That's my webcam. Hello. So it's here you're going to create, basically input information about your stream. So we're going to create a title. This is going to be called Test UUFSD, right? Because we're just testing it out. Underneath this is a pull-down tab where you get to select how visible your stream is going to be. So when you actually stream, you want to have this being public, meaning that everybody can see it. And when this will become obvious later on. Unlisted basically gives you a link that you can share, but doesn't show up on your channel. And private is that only you can view. So we're gonna view it as unlisted since we don't want everyone to see it. It's just a test. And we are going to schedule this. So it's a good idea to schedule it ahead of time. That way you can distribute the URL before you actually do your broadcast. So we're going to say we'll go with 7:10. Fine. So that's today at 7:10 p.m. Great. This next section is basically for like age-related issues. So is this video specifically made for kids? And that means not can kids watch it, but is this children's programming? So this is definitely not made specifically for children only. So we're going to say no, it's not made for kids. And we're going to click next. And the next thing it does is asks you to choose a thumbnail. So we're going to pose for the picture. Hello. And there's a thumbnail. This is just from my webcam. This is the image that shows up on YouTube after it's saved, before you click it. And you can customize this by rolling it over here. And you can upload a custom thumbnail if you wish, which is probably a pretty good idea, but you don't have to. You can also retake it if you like. Yeah. You could edit the title here by clicking this. The computer's running a little slow. It also gives you the specifications of the webcam and microphone that you're using. Just click out of that. And this is unlisted. So we have a couple options here. If we click share, it shows us the URL of the where people can view the live stream. So that is very useful. So before we're finished with this, we want to definitely copy this and then distribute it to the congregation beforehand to let them know where to check in. Okay, I'm going to click done. And it closes that, and now notice that we were in this webcam area here, right? And now we're in this area, manage. And you'll see that we have a scheduled live stream. It's upcoming, March 25th, scheduled, right? And we see our visibility and more information now. Okay, great. Cool. So when this is time to stream, we actually click on that, and then we just click go live, and you can actually click this at any time. The scheduling is basically just for sharing purposes. It's not automated. It doesn't automatically start streaming at a specific time, but it tells your audience when the live stream is going to happen. But you have to actually automate it. It won't do it for you. So now we're actually streaming to our private screening channel. Yay. So this is an actual, oops. Sorry about that. I moved that away. This is an actual live stream. So here we are. We're live. And you'll see over here, this is where the live chat area is here. And we can start talking to the congregation. Hello. And then it appears over here, and everyone who's logged on can see this. And you can see here there's only one person logged on. That's me, the broadcaster. But when people are actually on there, you can see this in real time, and people can approve by giving you a thumbs up, etc. Okay, so this is the screen that you're going to see while you're broadcasting. After you're done, you click end stream. It prompts you whether you want to do that or not. You said yes, end. And then you have this lovely screen. So we can go, if we dismiss this, it'll just close this window and it'll archive it, and you could access it later. But we're going to go to edit in studio just so you can I can show you the studio editing features, and it's going to open the, excuse me, the allergies are really kicking up today. The details of this, the editing, studio editor. Okay, so here you can change the title. You can add a description, which is really helpful to your viewers. You can, it also includes a video link here. You can change the thumbnail again, change any of this information. Great. There's more options here. I haven't really looked at that. Okay. There's also the analytics page here, and this gives you all kinds of really neat details about how many subscribers you have, how many people are watched at any specific date. Lets you track your viewership over time, right, and see if you're retaining audience members or not. You can also look at the comments. comments I haven't responded to. Held for review. Interesting. Oh, these are the comments that are actually on the video side. Okay. Great. So you can edit here. Look at these details. And then if we go back to our channel, we see where our videos are supposed to be. Hey, where are our videos? We just made a video. Where is it? Where's the archive of our live stream? And you'll notice that over here, this is our uploads, meaning something that's pre-recorded and we uploaded to our video channel. We want to click over here, and then we'll see all of our live streams. So, this is the one that we just recorded, right? So we can go ahead and view this. We can view it on YouTube. We can, let's see if we can see the comments there. So these are the comments, not for the live stream, but for the when people actually watch this, they can comment on the YouTube archive video. So, and you can see this visibility is unlisted, right? And this is the actual service that was recorded last week. So we don't really need these. I'm going to delete this. I understand this is deleting. It's like very dramatic, delete forever. And that's deleted forever. So obviously you want to be careful about this. This is, you can see the timing too. This is 50 seconds. This is 49 minutes. This is 8 minutes and 27 seconds. This is a test, another test that I did, right? So these say test. I'm going to get rid of these. Delete forever. Yes, delete forever. Bye-bye. And also delete forever. Great. Okay, so then this archive becomes viewable. Anybody can click on this after the fact and watch it later, right? So here's the entire broadcast of the previous revious Okay, so I think that just about does it. Hope that you find this helpful, and reach out to me if you need any help streaming stuff. I think I'll do another one for the Zoom collective streaming as well. So watch out for that. Thanks a lot.